Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to use the pineapple skin and make a delicious tea. And then I'm gonna add some ginger to it. A lot of people don't know that pineapple is packed with vitamin and mineral. It's good for arthritis pain, inflammation, and also good for a post-workout. Pineapple also have vitamin B in it, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Ginger packed with vitamin C, antioxidant, vitamin B, calcium, and other nutrients. So please make use of this video on the ingredients, what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put this on. So I'm going to try to bring this up to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to take the skin off the ginger. Even this ginger skin, you'd be surprised you can just blend this out and turn it into a cake. So I have this ready. I have some washed pineapple skin here. I'm just going to cut them up. Just put them in. Once you watch this video, you will know not to throw away the pineapple skin. When I was young, my mom normally make lovely, soak this for probably a day or two, and she would soak this in water, add a bit of lime to it and sweeten it with sugar, bit of ice. Nice, cool and refreshing drink. So as soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna grate this in it and cover it for probably about a minute or so. Then I will strain it off. I'll probably strain it twice. I'm gonna pass it through this sieve, and then after I'm gonna pass it through this one. So if this video is of any help to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I thank you for watching. Now start to boil. So this, I'm going to grate this in it. When you grate the ginger, you get more out of it. If you want, you can add some honey to it when you put it in your cup, in your glass or your cup. But if you get in honey, get some proper honey. So let it boil. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover it. At this point, turn it off, cover it. Just let it sit, probably 1 or 2 minutes. So now it's ready. I'm gonna remove the lid. As you can see, look at that. Rich, packed with vitamin. So I'll strain this off. Then I'm going to pass it through this one. Please remember to try this at home. This is a very nice, healthy and delicious tea. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching my channel. Peace be unto you all.